I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to learn how to save money or save money for the future on a low income budget, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So we back with another randomizer roll and save. Basically what I'm going to do, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm going to take the dice, roll it, and whichever number comes up on the dice, that is the envelope that I'm going to fill with $1. Now, I'm only doing $1 per envelope because I can only afford to save $10 at a time for my birthday, which is next year, June 23rd. So while I'm saving up for my birthday at this moment, I can only put $10 to the side for, that's what's within my budget, and there's no shame in that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me count the money, make sure it is accurate. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's see which envelope we are going to cash stuff first. So we're going to go to envelope number 3, 1, 2, 3, which is nails. Next, we are going to go to envelope number 1, which is birthday. Next, we're going to go to envelope number 4, which is 1, 2, 3, perfume. Next, we're gonna go to envelope number 6, which is shopping. Envelope number 1, which is birthday again. Envelope number 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, self-care. I'm gonna roll that again. Envelope number 2, which is hair. Envelope number 3, which is nails. It went to the top and 5 was actually up, but I'm going to go ahead and re-roll it. Envelope number 2, which is hair. Envelope number 1, which is a birthday. These envelopes are kind of getting a little thick because I only have a lot of ones in them right now because I still haven't made it to the bank. Like I said, I'll go to the bank next week and do like some bill swap. So now we are going to see how much money we were able to put to the side for our envelopes, and then see how much we have overall in each envelope and in the binder. So for birthday, we were able to save $3. So now we have, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3. 73 for birthday. Next we have hair. We were able to save $2 for hair. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $65. Next we have nails. We were able to save $2. So now we have, let's see, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $39. For perfume, we were able to save $1. So now we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. $35 for perfume. And for self-care, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. $74 for self-care. And for shopping, we were able to save $1. So we now have 20, 40, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $57. So that is all for today. Again, I hope my videos are inspiring you to save money for your future. More importantly, save money for what you want for your future as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.